Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are doing good. Hope you all are enjoying. So today this is my favorite deck, also one more of my favorite deck, the African Goddess, and it talks about the Africans. The first card, sorry, I just by mistake just picked the card without intending, so I shall shuffle and then I shall repick. Hanji, so the first card, Shine. Mama Jambo. Mama Jambo, I have read about her, and let's pull out one more card. Let's see what is the other card that is coming. Math, giving and receiving. This is another beautiful goddess which I love connecting with. So Mama Jambo and Math has come today. So first, when we come with Mama Jambo, basically she says we all should rise and shine in our life, and we should keep shining. We should not allow things to trouble us. Maybe of late you've been hearing things, people talking about you or something, but she just says don't even think about it. Just go with the flow. You are born to make a name for you. You are born to rise and shine. Let people do whatever they want to do, or whatever criticism or whatever they are talking, it should not bother you. So today maybe you should say I am ready to rise and shine. Say that 11 times in the starting of the day, that I am ready to rise and shine, because when you say that and when you follow that, you will feel a lot of abundance coming your way. You will feel a lot of prosperity and a lot of beautiful things coming your way. Now coming to Math, giving and receiving. Math is one person who says what you give, you will get. If you give time, you will get time from your loved ones. If you give money, money will come back to you written. And I always follow this. I always, when I spend money with happiness, because I know whatever I'm giving will come back to me in a beautiful way. So today, what you do is spread lots of love to your near and dear ones. If someone is coming to you for help, give them help. Feed the needy, feed the stray animals. Give everything in abundance today, because in the upcoming days, abundance is coming back to you multifold. You'll be really, really happy at that. Today I see a lot of green from Mama Jambo. So what I would suggest is wear the color green today, and just keep saying I am ready to rise and shine. Whenever you feel low, I am ready to rise and shine, and I'm sure she's going to make you to rise and shine, and she's going to give you a beautiful and an abundance filled day today. Blessed day ahead.